Hey everyone! In this guide, I'll show you how to build a Shopify store optimized for mobile in 2026, step by step, so your customers have a smooth shopping experience on any device. First, go to shopify.com and sign up for an account. Once you're in the dashboard, start by choosing a theme. For mobile optimization, pick a responsive theme that automatically adjusts to smartphones and tablets. Shopify has several free and premium options designed specifically for mobile shopping. Next, customize your theme. Click on Customize to edit layouts, colors, and fonts. Make sure your buttons, menus, and images look good on smaller screens. Use the Preview tool to switch between desktop, tablet, and mobile views and adjust spacing or text size where needed. Then add your products. Upload high-quality images, write clear titles and concise descriptions. For mobile users, keep paragraphs short and highlight key features so it's easy to scan. Organize your products into collections for simpler navigation. After that, set up essential apps and features. Enable quick loading galleries, sticky add to cart buttons, and mobile-friendly checkout options. These small tweaks can drastically improve conversion rates. Finally, test your store on multiple devices and screen sizes. Once everything looks good, publish your store and monitor analytics to ensure mobile visitors have a seamless experience. And yeah, that's it. By using a responsive theme, clear layouts, and mobile-friendly features, your Shopify store will look professional and convert better on every device. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more e-commerce tutorials.